Cam lock connectors are widely used in electrical distribution systems because of their reliability, safety, and ease of use. Some professionals have had experience with cam lock connectors. Electricians say that they've installed and used cam lock connectors for years in carnival and temporary power distribution systems. They provide a secure connection that is easy to assemble and disassemble. The locking mechanism ensures a positive connection, minimizing the risk of electrical hazards. Stage lighting technicians say that in the stage lighting industry, cam locks are essential for connecting lighting fixtures to power sources. They allow for quick and reliable connections, even in demanding environments. The different colors and size options make it easy to identify and manage different circuits. Event planners say that for temporary events, cam locks are a practical choice. They can be easily installed and removed by trained personnel. The locking mechanism prevents accidental disconnection, ensuring the safety and continuity of the power supply. There are benefits of using cam lock connectors. They include secure connections. The locking mechanism ensures a positive connection, reducing the risk of arcing, overheating, and electrical hazards. They are easy to use because cam locks can be quickly and easily assembled and disassembled, even by non-electricians. Cam locks are reliable because they are made of durable materials that withstand harsh conditions and provide reliable performance over time. They are color-coded. Different colors are used to identify different voltage levels and phases, making it easy to connect and manage circuits. There are considerations for using cam lock connectors. Firstly, proper wiring. Ensure that the connectors are properly wired and torqued to the manufacturer's specifications. Secondly, environmental conditions. Cam locks may not be suitable for extremely wet or corrosive environments. Thirdly, load capacity. Choose cam locks that are rated for the current and voltage of the circuit. Fourthly, connect to compatibility. Confirm that the male and female connectors are compatible and made by the same manufacturer. In terms of cost, cam lock connectors are typically less expensive than hubber cord and plug-ins. However, the exact cost will vary depending on the size, amperage rating, and brand of the connector. Overall, cam lock connectors are a reliable and cost-effective solution for temporary power distribution systems, including carnivals, temp services, and stage lighting.